Hey guys, this is Rock and Roll Collectors, and today we're going to be doing a Swiss Army knife review. And you're probably wondering why my last video and this video are on this table, but it's only because my brother was up in my normal table, not doing a review, but just being annoying. I didn't have anywhere else to go, so we're going to be talking about these today. And specifically this one. This one's the Spartan. I did a review on this one a while back. Oh crap. Didn't cut myself there. This one is the camper. So yeah, it just has a saw, but other than that it has all the same functions. So let's get into them. It has a combo blade, can opener, and small flathead. This one locks in a 90-degree position and can be opened like that. Wire crimper, a cap lifter, and flathead. Screwdriver. Next tool. Oh, my cousin's coming in. He's been staying with us because he's from Ohio.
Because I'm dope.
Actually, he's from Michigan, but he lives in Ohio.
Because I'm dope.
Here's the saw, which I cut myself on.
Because he's an idiot.
Yep.
Yep, so that happened. Use what it looks like. It's like it's flipping you off. Because the saw's on the left. You people. He's gonna put it back. I'm just not gonna touch it. Do you review this one too?
I'm doing a review of it right now.
Both of them? You've already done one of them.
Yes.
Yeah, go check out the review.
I've already told them to do that. Next tool
I knew that.
Is the knife, which this one's sharper than the other one because it's newer. Then we have this little blade. He's left. I'll get into those actually later. Corkscrew, ream or punch, or awl, whichever one. In the scales, you have a toothpick and tweezers. Just do that. So overall, this is a really great knife. So that was my review. Make sure to check out my other review of my Spartan. What did you do with it?
Oh, right in front of your face.
No, it wasn't actually, but yeah.
And check out the 2 Lego Bros. Yeah, that's probably not gonna happen soon, but yeah. Okay, I'm dope.
Check out, I already told you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.
Look, I can